Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just wanted to give you all a quick video on the battery that I'm using in my RC4WD DXR2 Dozer. It's a big one. It's just about as big as it'll fit. Um, you can do other modifications, but this is just like the biggest one I've found that'll fit without any special modifications. So you can see it's 139 millimeters long by 47 millimeters wide by 38 millimeters deep. And then I'll just show you how that fits in there. So I take the battery and I put it with the wires first. Generally I plug it first, but I'm not going to plug it due to my doing this with one hand, but it fits in here at an angle just like that. So you can see it goes down in there, and then the lid barely closes. It sticks there, but the lid still closes perfectly. It closes all the way. So just wanted to show you guys what battery I'm using. I get over an hour run time on this one. I used to run and still will run in my boats, but this is temporarily got a new home in the Dozer. So there you can see the specs. It's Electron Pro. This is a 3S battery. So yeah, works really good. Lasts over an hour. It's definitely not necessary, but just wanted to show you what I'm using. Have a good day.